Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share notes on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Notes app. Then just get into some note. Let it be that one that's empty. Actually, I'm just gonna type in here some text, and now if you want to share this note with someone, all you have to do is hit right here at that share icon, and now you can share this note in two different ways. The first way, it's set by default, is collaborate, so you can actually invite some person to your specific note, and both of you would be able to edit that note and to see the changes that each of you make in that note. And the second way is send a copy. You can hit right here, select send a copy. So in that way you will send just a copy of your note, and you wouldn't be able to edit one single note, because in that case you will have two different, separate from each other notes. So I'm gonna hit collaborate because I want to invite person in that note, and on the next step you can hit right here and select who can access this note. By default, only invited people is check marked, and you can hit anyone with the link, just for example. And also you can change the permissions. It's set to can make changes. You can hit at view only, and once you finished with that, you can just hit on done. After that, you can scroll down and use any of these ways to share this note. You can just, for example, use messages, and then just add here some contact. You can hit add plus sign, and then select any user from your contacts book in that way, and after that you can just hit at that send icon to send this note to the recipient. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.